Moxie Media presents Security Search, Screening, and Sweeping Techniques for Vessels, Ports, Plants, and Facilities. A training guide for personnel required to perform screening and sweeping procedures in the workplace. In the wake of the terrorist attacks on the United States on September 11, 2001, new regulations and industry practices have been developed to safeguard specific industries deemed as high risk against future terrorist activities. They include 33 CFR 104, which applies to vessels, 33 CFR 105, which applies to ports and maritime facilities, and 49 CFR Part 172 HM 232, which applies to offerers and transporters of hazardous materials. On the international level, many other countries and organizations have similar standards in place, such as the International Maritime Organization's International Ship and Port Security Code, or ISPS, the Canadian Marine Transportation Security Regulations, or MTSR, and the European Union's Regulation EC 725/2004, among others. Screening is defined as a reasonable examination of persons, cargo, vehicles, or baggage for protection of the vessel or facility and its personnel, crew, or passengers. Screening is intended to ensure that dangerous substances and devices A security sweep means a walkthrough to visually inspect unrestricted areas to identify unattended packages or other items and to determine that all restricted areas are secure. The term search, as used in the regulations, refers to a thorough examination of restricted areas. The owner or operator of a facility or vessel will determine areas that are restricted and designate these areas in the security plan. This program is intended to indoctrinate facility personnel and vessel crews to some basic procedures and principles that may be utilized when required to conduct a screening, security sweep, or search in the performance of their security duties. The Facility Security Plan, or the Vessel Security Plan, will contain the rate and frequency in which individuals must be screened prior to admittance. Screening of individuals, baggage, vehicles, and cargo can be accomplished using various techniques and equipment. The scope and extent of the screening process for each facility or vessel should be determined. This lesson provides more detailed procedures for effectively safeguarding a facility from outside threats while interpreting the security responsibilities of the facility under the various Maritime Security Acts. This lesson provides more detailed procedures for effectively safeguarding a vessel from outside threats while interpreting the security responsibilities of the vessel under the various Maritime Security Acts. The responsibility for barge security starts with the barge owner and operator, but in reality, the towing vessel, fleeting area, and waterfront facility where the barge is moored all share this responsibility.